Everyone, for vocabulary today, we have a new word. Your new word is graceful, which means moving in a smooth and beautiful way. I'm going to read you a quick passage from Origami, the Art of Japanese Paper Folding, which is an article that we had read in class. Listen for the word graceful in it. Could you fold a square of paper into a graceful fish or a long-stemmed flower? In this case, graceful refers to the fish. Oftentimes, origami artists use fish and describe them as graceful because fish really move smoothly and beautifully through the water. Take a minute and try to picture a fish moving in the water. What does that look like? Would you describe it as graceful, moving in a smooth and beautiful way? There are other animals that could be described as graceful. Can you think of any animals that you might describe as graceful? I think a lot of times people describe dolphins or deer leaping through the meadows. Horses, cats can be really graceful, and eagles. Those are all animals that can be described as graceful because they're all animals that move in a smooth and beautiful way. Now, humans can be described as graceful. Oftentimes you'll see dancers or ice skaters, even runners and swimmers described as graceful because they are moving in a smooth and beautiful way. Now, we're going to practice graceful in just a second with a game. But first, I'm wondering if you notice anything special about the word graceful. Do you notice a prefix or a suffix? Graceful has a suffix. Now, the root word grace means smoothness and beauty of movement. But if you remember, the suffix full means full of. So when you put it all together, graceful means full of smoothness and beauty of movement. So there's a little prefix or suffix practice. Now, let's play graceful or not graceful. I'm going to give you a scenario, and you need to decide if that scenario would be graceful, moving in a smooth and beautiful way, or not graceful. Prompt number 1. Lydia, this one's for you. The chicken is or is not graceful by a chicken walking across a barnyard. Graceful or not graceful? Use prompt 1 to answer whether a chicken walking across a barnyard would be graceful or not graceful. Pause the video and answer prompt 1. All right, number 2, scenario. A leopard running smoothly and beautifully across a plain. Graceful or not graceful? Pause the video and use prompt number 2. All right, number 3. A skateboarder rolling swiftly and steadily down the sidewalk. Graceful or not graceful? Pause the video, answer prompt number 3. And last but not least, a skateboarder wobbling from side to side as she bounces down the sidewalk. Graceful or not graceful? Pause the video and answer prompt number 4. Remember, graceful means moving in a smooth and beautiful way. Please comment prompt 1, 2, 3, or 4 below so we can see what your idea of which of these things is graceful is. All right, that's all for today. I will see you all later.